B1 floor plan. It's approximately 1,178 square feet, and right now we're standing in the kitchen. So as you can see, this kitchen has a lot of light, and there's a lot of opportunity for space in this kitchen as well. There's dual tone cabinets with the glossy white finish up here, and that's also a soft close cabinet as well. There's all stainless steel appliances, Whirlpool, energy efficient as well. Now we are here in the master bedroom of our 2-bedroom floor plan. As you can see, this room is flooded with light. There's this 8 feet high, beautiful window that is absolutely gorgeous with any view that you have here in our community. You can definitely fit a king-size bed here as well with 2 nightstands and still have so much space on each side. Here, go ahead and see the closet space. So what I really like about this floor plan is that it has these dual closets. Here you can definitely fit a lot of clothes and a lot of storage. And then out over here, we also have this humongous closet. And now we're in the master bathroom. So what's absolutely beautiful about this bathroom is the amount of counter space and storage that's in here. So we have the dual vanity as well as the 6 cabinets on each side and 2 cabinets here in the middle. There's also a really nice size mirror as well as a huge soaking tub that I think is absolutely gorgeous and definitely ties up this master bathroom together. And now we're here in the guest bedroom. So as you can see, there's a queen size bed and 2 nightstands. But I think there's so much more space for you to furnish it the way you like here. There's also a lot of natural lighting that also flows into this room as well. So I think that really helps to tie in the room together. And out over here we have a huge closet. So here you can definitely fit a lot of storage space, as well as hang a bunch of clothes up and put storage up there as well. So you can also even fit your dresser out in the room, or you can fit it in here. This closet is very huge. What I love about this layout is that it connects right to the guest bathroom. And this is a dual entry bathroom, so you can actually close either door for privacy. And what I love about this second bedroom is the huge vanity that's over here and a ton of storage space that's here on the bottom. And again, very large mirror as well. So, and then of course this bathroom does have an absolutely gorgeous soaking tub in here. And this is our living room area. So you can definitely fit a lot of nice furniture in here. You can fit a sectional accent chair, coffee table, and of course mount up your TV if you'd like, and put some beautiful decorative furniture. This living room has a lot of lighting that comes from our sliding glass door in our balcony area. And of course it does go on to our dining and kitchen area because this is an open concept floor plan as well. And out here we are on one of our balconies. This balcony just face out towards our courtyard area. It's one of our most beautiful views here in our community. And of course, balconies are very important to have here in South Florida, as we do love to spend a lot of time outside. So here you can definitely fit 2 chairs and a table as well. You can also fit a lot of storage out here as well. There is an outlet and a light. And you do have a sliding glass door for you to get in and out from your living room. And of course, all of our windows and sliding glass doors are hurricane impact resistant. I really hope that you guys would be interested in taking a tour. And don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are open 7 days a week. It's going to be myself, my name is Corinne, as well as we have Nicole, and we have Josie here to assist you at the leasing office.